The first step is to simply go to Google Meet, and then what we're gonna have to do from here is simply change our Google name. So basically, Google Meet is linked to your Google account. So as you can see in the top right corner, we have our profile picture. So simply click on that, and then we're gonna have to click on manage your Google account. So simply click on that. And then what we're gonna have to do from here is simply go to personal info here on the left side. And then what we're gonna have to do is simply scroll down and click on name. And then we're gonna be able to simply click on name again. And from here, we can simply enter our first name and our last name, and then simply click on save. Now, once you do that, your Google Meet name will be also changed. So, I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.